Hey, man, you need a ride?
No, I'm waiting for him to go across there. Thank you, though.
You looks like you got a lot of bags. I can give you a lift if you want it.
No,
It's free.
Yeah, I mean, I'm waiting for him to get his cigarettes.
Oh.
Well, we would take it, but you know what I mean? He's going over there, you know?
All right, you hang in there.
Thank you, sir.
Keep rocking.
Hey, God bless you.
And you too, right back at you, bud. Hey, man, you need a lift?
Yeah.
I can give you a ride, man. Hop on in.
Yeah, it's down the street.
Yeah, it's gonna take a load off. What do you got going on? Hey, man, you need a ride? You need a ride? I can give you a lift to wherever you need to go. You doing okay then?
I'm all right. I'm fine.
Okay. Hey, flag me down if you need any. Flag me down if you need anything.
20 minutes, man. Look, I'm going to go get something to eat down here around and shit. And talk to my friends.
Okay.
I've been in jail, you know what I mean? So, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
All
right, you take care of yourself. What's that?
You can give it to me for free? It's taxi, Jeff. You got taxi in them, but you know what I mean?
All right.
I've been in New York, man.
All right.
There's laws about this shit, you know what I mean?
Okay, hey, flag me down if you need a ride, bud. All right, see ya. Hey, okay. Hey, man, you need a ride? You need a ride? I'll give you a ride wherever you need to go. Hey, Gene, what's happening? You doing okay today? Well, I'm blessed. Everything going okay for you? Yeah, did you get something to eat? Did you get lunch?
Yeah, somebody gave me a couple dollars.
Okay, you got a place to sleep tonight?
Yes, sir.
Okay, flag me down if you need anything.
Yes, sir.
Promise?
Yes, sir.
All right.
All right,
Hey, you need a lift?
No, I'm pretty good.
All right. Hey, man, you need a ride? You need a lift?
No, I'm all right. I'm just going up to the other side of the hill.
Oh, you kidding? Yeah, take a load off.
I think I know you.
It's been a while, huh?
Yeah. I'm going to Kroger over here.
All right, I'll get you to Kroger, absolutely.
Oh, it's a different one. Vagrant's Valet. Okay.
Yeah. Well, I can't remember your name. What is it?
My name's Rusty Shackelford.
Oh, Rusty, right on. You don't have to. Oops, sorry about
No,
that.
I caught you last fall when I was going the other side.
Oh, that's right. I was in a convertible at the time.
No, I think you were in this car.
Oh, okay. How's things been going for you?
Oh, not too bad.
What are you out doing? Just out for a stroll?
Actually, I'm going to get some things we're not going to eat at the mission. We're actually going to cook out some chili dogs.
Oh, really?
Yep.
All right.
We've got this little spot out back where we can just build a fire. We're going to get some chili.
It's got a little bivouac there. Oh, we finally got some good weather.
Yeah.
You weren't outside when it was like -5, were you?
No.
Yeah. How's things at the mission there? I understand they had some trouble, huh?
Yeah, they still are. But I'm in a little select group that we just keep to ourselves. We know the people that cause trouble. We avoid it.
Yeah.
And we're all...
Like, good and mellow. Live and let
Well,
live.
we're not just live and let live. And we're working on our ways to get out.
Well, are you in touch with the Monroe County Housing Authority and all that? Because you can get a place, a government subsidized little apartment.
Well, see, I'm not working and I don't get disability or anything like that.
You don't need to get Social Security disability.
See, I've already signed up with Section 8 and
Right.
There's another one on there, and then I'm also with Rapid Rehousing.
Well, it's not rapid rehousing isn't real rapid, but you just got to stay on it.
Well, I got to have an income first, and putting our address down as Wheeler Mission, I think turns out few of us talked about it. We're skilled.
Yeah. What kind of work do you do?
I've got a degree in graphic design, and I've got 30 years in IT.
Oh.
I mean, I'm a Windows power user. I can do Unix. Well, that's old school Unix.
What kind of graphics have you done?
I haven't done anything in probably 30 years in graphic design. I just didn't. I wanted to finish my degree because by the time I got to that point, I was playing football and basketball. And by the time I got to my junior year, I realized, I don't really want to switch majors now. I was like, finished it out.
Well, I'm something of a starving artist myself, so.
Well, then you understand.
We're kindred spirits.
You understand. Then.
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't want to go that route, but I mean, it has helped me. I mean, I've done, multimedia director for an online high school company.
Oh, well, there you go. Well, it sounds like you've got a lot of options, Rusty. It's just, you know, a matter of, you know,
finding the right. Well, I thought there would be a lot of places in a college town, but I think a lot of it has to do with the address. You know, they see you're staying at a homeless place, and it's like,
well, you've got your wits about you. You're a nice guy. You're certainly personable, and you've got some skills. So, how old are you?
I'm 53.
53. Well, Colonel Sanders didn't get going until he was 70. So you've got plenty of time to, you know, to get things going in the right direction. And I'm rooting for you. When you see me on the street, Rusty, wave your hand. If you need a ride, I'll give you a ride. Does that sound good?
I appreciate it.
Okay, right on, Rusty.
Well, thank you for the ride.
I'm rooting for you, buddy.
All right, man.
All right, keep rocking.
Good luck with you.
Ding, ding.